Trending stars.
Finally John Gine.
Adaba my friends over.
Moyo wa ubachala.
Sindikuso.
Gemu ya goma tuzi. Ya goma?
Even better.
Even better?
I think it should have been Gemu ya gona tuzi. Full tank.
Gauge gear follow. But still traffic igadi.
Manyamula chani mambo di mati
Danyamula true love. Okay, Eddie, welcome. And of course, guys, this is Trending Star, and today we have the superstar, Njuchi.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so let's just start with the album, Chifu. What was the inspiration behind that album? Because in Adrogabagantawi, but I mean, we're still vibing to the album,
Yeah. No, it took me about 2 years to finalize everything on that album, and most of the songs in that album are Antawi Yabaya, like True Love. It's a song that I did on the very same day that I did Yabaya.
Okay.
You know, so it was a long process, no lie. A big shout out to my team, J-Mas Suspense for mastering such a a masterpiece.
Yeah.
And big shout out to my team as well. The inspiration behind it was growth. I wanted to talk about things that really matter about and to in life. As we grow, we get to be introduced to all of these responsibilities. So one bit is just me expressing my daily life. Through music.
Okay. All right. So let's talk about the Munchiro song. Yeah. That's but apart from the song, let's dive away from the song a little bit. If you were not to be a musician, where's you
growing up, I wanted to be a journalist. Imagine.
Oh,
really.
That means then I would have been a singer. Who knows? So what changed?
Life. Life gave us a slap.
Yeah.
Woke us up with the reality, and here we are. But aside music, I'm looking for a job.
Yeah.
If I wasn't Njuchi,
I
was gonna look for Njuchi to work for him.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
There's a money manager, right?
We're still manager, or direct manager, I don't know.
Okay. Yeah. Alright, and now still on the album, let's talk about Katumba. See Inajitumwa.
Yeah.
Inuyo wanuyo. Katumba ifajani. Wale ndikatumba ifajani.
What were you doing?
Kama siri kuziwa.
We don't know, siri kuziwa.
Okay. I never saw what siri kuziwa. Alright, now let's talk about still on the songs on the album. Which song carries the deepest personal meaning for you, and what's the story behind it?
Asadziwe. It's a song that I did with my
Njuchi brothers.
My day one brothers. Cheese Mo and Bread, a big shout out to them. It's a song that really speaks, about me right now, what I'm going through, So Muga Kalavasi, when you listen to the album, there is Soldier and there is Asadziwe. Try to sit down someday and just listen to those two songs. You'll get to find out they are connected somehow.
Okay.
Yeah.
My injury soldier,
Asadziwe. You understand?
Yeah.
So Soldier talks about, appreciating the soldier, what it does, the sacrifices. And then now the Asadziwe was the soldier now, singing, speaking. You just don't know what to go through, for you people to believe in this comfortable life and all of that. So it's a song that speaks personally to
you. Yeah. So it's a connection. Now I'm interested. Let's talk about the lineup of the songs.
Yeah.
Is it a story from top to bottom?
It is. When you sit down and listen to it, you get to find out all the album is connected, like the whole of it. From Chito, from Soldier, from Asadziwe, all the way to, all of those other songs.
Yeah.
So
it's a connection.
It is.
Alright, okay. Now still on the album, because not just album, but you really had to reach out. So today we're here to break it up, to break it down,
Yeah.
After you release the album, like each and every day, you release one in the morning, in the afternoon, and then why did that strategy come about? Is it because I think I've also realized that you're not more of a visual person when it comes to Nimbo? Was there some sort of a strategy with that? Just because my visuals can be so let me do this.
Yeah, it was. I mean, the industry now is changing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now it's more about visuals. We've got my platforms like the social media, audio without you know. Yeah, so did a collaboration with my team. I don't have many videos. You know, most of my songs are just out there. They have no videos. So we decided to maximize on that, release more videos. That's why on the very same day we were releasing a video on top of the other.
Yeah.
Because we wanted people now to see Njuchi.
Okay.
Sure.
Alright, next song we use the same strategy. I might get fans through that because I think it also helped the album a little bit because now people were like, they listen to it and then they're like, Baskina with the music video comes out and then we're like, we're back to it again.
Big time. It was quite risky, because the strategy I don't think I would advise people to use that strategy, you know, but then you've got to take those risks.
Yeah, and the views are amazing as well.
Yeah, for sure. I was even surprised.
Yeah.
But
it's telling you anyway, what Alright, now let's talk about the fusion of the genres. Muni reggae, muni some dancer in it, Afrobeat.
Yeah.
What brought about the fusion? Were you trying to show us good guys and everything?
No, not really. It was just me expressing the genres that I really love listening to. I'm a big fan of, hip hop, reggae. A lot of people, I used to do dance. So in this album, tried as much as I can to just express myself. You know, I was in that zone whereby I was just creating things that I really love listening to and things that I love making. Which was, the reggae, dancehall. There is Afro in there. We pretty much So a lot of people keep on asking me, genre. I do music, Basi.
Okay, you do music in general.
In general.
Okay. If you were wondering what genre he does, music. Alright, now looking at the songs, they didn't make it to the album.
So many of them. So many.
Okay, now I'm curious. When you were actually recording for that album,
how many songs? We had about 34 valid songs.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why did they make it?
Not really Kusungira, but then they were just not making sense. They should be in the album. You know, we wanted it to be Chintuji mods. Like you said, it's all connected. The whole Chief album is connected. So we wanted it to make sense at the end of the day. There were so many songs which were like Banga and all of that, but we were not looking for that. Siri Mafuna is just already album and then only one song is up there, and then the rest are just, it's not nice. So this time around we sat down and we were like, okay, let's make sure people can sit down and listen to Joseph Balamots.
Alright, now I'm looking at 35 songs. Now, when did you decide Kuriai? I think right now Chifu is ready for people to actually listen to.
I think it was Kwambili, it was the creative part now. You start feeling like, I think I've done enough, you know. So I don't like forcing it. I don't like forcing things. There's still more. We still have to do more and all that. I keep on telling people, with music is spiritual to me. Nyimbozi, they come from up there, no lie, you know. So the songs are not coming. I think that's it. So that was it.
Alright. Enough about the album.
That's cool.
Now you are one of the most decorated artists in Malawi. Now when you're working on projects, be it a single, it's an album, the project what's the feeling like? From family, friends, ladies, and enjoy. I'm pretty sure if you're on TikTok, I'm pretty sure
anyways, I'm not on social media. I don't like social media like that. Yeah, but it's a good feeling, no lie. Kwambili, my mom is the one who like whenever I release a song,
Yeah.
she calls and gives me all of those amazing feedbacks, and even inspires me to do more. So that alone is a good feeling, no lie. And kwa the audience, it's always amazing, no lie. More especially when I'm out there, when I'm performing the song now for the first time, and then I hear the response from the audience. It's an amazing feeling, no lie. I remember I had the same feeling when I did Illuminati. That was when I was like, oh, okay. So that feeling, and it's addictive somehow. But then it's really good, no lie. Yeah.
Now about this Illuminati, I have a question on Illuminati.
Yeah.
Was that based on a true story?
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't.
Hey.
And to Ramona I feel like we
It's been about how many years now? Parallel, we are still trying to let people know it was just a song, people shouldn't. As much as it was just me. At that time, having fun.
Expressing yourself.
I had expressing myself.
Music wise, of course.
Yeah. So it's just a song. Yeah.
Trending stars.
Now you also received 23 million in royalties from Kosoma. You were one of, I think, one of 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, so just tell us, how does that feel as an artist? Any tips?
It feels good, no lie. It feels good. We are making the right steps at the end of the day. Of course, my obstacles are but then it motivates you, it gives you energy. But I think I should, keep it up. So it was an amazing feeling, no lie. I would like to say thank you to every single person out there who listens to my music.
We're the fans, yes.
Yeah, so I'll forever be grateful, no lie. For me it's all about hard work.
Yeah. All right, and you've also won Best Album of the Year.
Yeah.
UMP.
Yes, I just
Oh wow. So much zero.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Nice. So being good, chaka chinokunaruka ma album ambili.
No lie.
Yeah. But how does it feel good your album now, gets to get the spotlight?
No, the same thing. It's inspiring. Alright. I sat down and I listened to all the albums I had this year. They're amazing albums. But I think Queen Awards and awards and all of that, it's pretty much on the audience. The minimum to decide, okay, this is our favorite. But then at the end of the day, I think what's really important is when you release an album and it's going out there, it's banning, people listening to it, you're getting bookings. I think that's the most important thing. That's quite new. That's what I see as an award. When you do a show, people show up. I went to a couple of shows. Teddy, Mercha as well. He's doing good. They're moving up and down. So I think that's what really matters at the end of the day. The rest, come. Kumamba Ulibe. I don't think Kumamba Ulima.
I didn't deserve a serious.
Yeah, so as long as your music is banging out there, as long as the album is making sales and all that, that's all that matters.
All right, and now talking about getting bookings, I know my shows like the fans, and I think I've noticed when you're performing, you're always giving us a throwback. Let's start with that first. Why is that?
I think performance so it's my case of because my show organizers, when they're making the bookings, they book you for like maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. So most of the times audience just see artist book for 30 minutes or 1 hour. So when you're making up the set, you need to make a set specifically for the time that you booked. So that's why sometimes I just do a little bit of throwbacks, because in my case you could actually be on stage to perform those songs. So I love those songs, no lie. I love the old Njuchi. But then at the end of the day, we can't deny the fact that we have True Love now, we have Chifu, there's so many songs in there who great people are listening to, are enjoying to. So we have to give the audience what they want.
Yeah. And maybe are there any songs that you're tired of performing? You're like, guys,
hey, a couple of songs. I don't think I perform. Hey, I don't think I perform Illuminati anymore. Zitege, I barely perform it.
Yeah.
There's some songs like Zitege and Johnny. I barely perform those songs. But then whenever I get a chance, I'm going to perform. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Now I think Dibanke will stretch a little bit.
Let's go.
Let's talk about your fashion sense now. Let's Njuchi. Why are you always in a Zodiak?
Crazy stuff. No, most of the times I wear Zodiak because my hair is a mess.
Okay.
No, like guys, I'm hiding a mess up there. So I don't want people to see that. And that's why because I'm always moving around. Tell you what I should go, do all of those things. Even bed. Even better. But then at the end of the day, it's also an image. An artist, you need to have an image. And all of that. So we saw okay this year. If you can see, it's pretty much this year and the end of last year, next year people won't see me in a Zodiak. Nah, no worries. No worries.
Alright, now let's go to the shoes. Are you a Nike fan, Karina Adidas?
Nike, come on.
Oh.
Nike.
Nike? Right?
It's Nike all the way.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright, and maybe what about I did denim? I was about to say denim.
Let's go. Denim. Oh yes, of course.
Yeah.
Ish.
Guys, I'm not on this answer. I don't know if are you going to raise your leg up or what?
No, I was gonna show you, but it's Nike. I thought you were gonna say, no, it's not. No, it is.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. Now let's go to your outfit.
Of course.
Yeah, I was about to say denim or sweatpants, and then I'm like, guys, the denim.
Yeah, I am. I mean, from top to
bottom.
Yeah.
I of course Zodiak, so people basically I would change. So I was on guys. Zodiak, yeah, denim.
No, one day we are late because next year no Zodiak.
Oh wow.
So yeah, we only have maybe a month.
It's never too late. It's never too late, And I was about to say when I was in a decent, but I think the last time I saw you in a decent outfit was Ohio, and then you also went to change. I was like, hey, guys, I tried our decent somebody out.
I know decent somebody out, but surprisingly, I look good. Like I look really good in a suit.
So you know that.
I do. Come on,
guys, self-confidence. Alright, now let's talk about you as a person. You're quite a disciplined person. We rarely see you everywhere, yeah? If you're not doing music, don't tell me it's music. If you're not doing music, what does Njuchi do for fun?
For fun?
Besides only music.
No, I love spending time with my family, my friends. If I'm not doing music on that day, then I'm traveling. I'm on a road trip. I love traveling to Zomba, because it's very close to where I stay. If I'm not doing music, I am home reading. I love reading. I love watching movies. I love watching anime.
Okay, what's your recent favorite anime?
My recent favorite anime. No, I'm still watching the classics. Okay. One Piece. It's what I'm watching right now.
Okay. Alright. So I'm trying anime. Okay, now we also kulima artists their business is just everywhere.
Yeah.
But for you, we rarely hear just some tips kuma up and coming guys. Not everything needs to be on social media, not everything needs to be out there.
Yeah. I reached a point in life of realizing that privacy is power. And some so yeah, if you really love your your life, if you really love your
mind,
your mental health, you need to keep some things off, the public eye. And pretty much that's it. Komanso Wambili, it's about you, yourself, your character, how you deal with things and all of that. Because social media now is very crazy.
Yeah.
You might get tempted to, post something or do something on social media. So, as a person, you need to sit down and make peace with some other things. It's already easy. I don't have to do this. I don't have to do that. And, yeah.
Okay, all right. And I think you've collaborated with quite a number of people.
Yeah.
Is there some artists or like, ish guys, if I ever do a collab with that person, my heart would be satisfied.
Right, in Malawi or?
I don't know. Anywhere, Malawi, Nigeria, Zambia, Mozambique, I will not China.
I don't know, China. Hey, China don't really matter. Stop showing me. In Malawi. I don't even know what I'm going because pretty much every artist I have worked with, not only just us doing a song together, but also being in the studio and creating something. Because I am a ghostwriter as well sometimes.
Oh,
so
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And outside of Malawi, I would say in Tanzania, I'm a fan of Diamond.
Yeah.
I'm a fan of Harmonizer. If God allows, we're gonna do a song together.
Yeah.
You never know.
Yeah.
In Zambia and the Aliwambi, but then I really want to do a song with Pompey.
Yeah.
I've been a big fan of Pompey since day one.
Way back.
Yeah, so I had a chance to meet him this year. We had a dinner and all of that. There was Fredo Kiss, Priscilla, and my manager. Very good guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where I was in Nigeria. In Nigeria, I don't think they didn't do the big three.
Very curious. Burna Boy, who else?
Burna Boy, we should say Wizkid.
Okay, Wizkid.
One. Payuili Davido.
Okay.
Paistar Burna Boy.
Okay.
Kina huwa kwa zumakawana.
Okay. Chabwino agawani. Alright. Now, talking of also collaborations. Umaona kuli collabo hii ndio ndikalebo kabena ya. Kabena just like bring the song.
No. Kwambili, it's about the connection. There's always a connection around it. Either between the artist and between me and the artist, or me and the song.
Yeah.
Because I've done nyimbo zinazowuri cinema and that is still Bunabwino, but then I just do it because I like the song. Recently I did this other song, Yabu Zim, that was Zimbabwe. It was also trending on the Shadis, are you coming?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I don't really know the artist, but then I just heard the song and I was like, wow, it's really nice.
Okay, I said I don't Alright.
Yeah.
Also maybe should we expect collaboration here, Triemo, Namadingo and Njuchi, because people are always like,
yeah. I know, it's a really good idea.
Yeah.
It is a good idea, and time will tell.
Okay, guys, time is time to tell. So I think you have been loyal to your management.
Oh yeah.
Because I think they've been under management. Like maybe can you just tell us how is that so? What are the benefits actually of being under the management? And like being, yeah.
I know, a big shout out to my managing team, and I'm probably they work really hard. Nah, it's a big team, So a big shout out to them, and me being loyal to them. I think maybe because they are good at what they do. They are really good. Those guys can do not only just manage my artists, but they can also do shows and all of that. So me, I'm fully, I'm really interested in that. And at the end of the day, it's also the friendship around it. They are what I'm really comfortable with. I look at them as my family, my second family. And pretty much that's it. about my artistry, having a manager or a managing team. As an artist, you need to know who you're a brand, and at the end of the day, brand needs a manager, whether you like it or not. If you want to be a big brand, you just have to be. I mean, you need to have a manager, because like let's say for example, I look at myself as when I'm home, I look at myself as Tifonio, but when I'm out there, it's Njuchi now, which is a big name, which is a company on its own. So I can just say, no, change you send this bangandeka now. Pakufunika antu amene amata kupanga manage brand kuragire so chilo yao now. So at the end of the day, putting aside the family stuff, you being friends and all of that, the business side also needs to make sense. So me and these guys, we take.
All right. Now maybe before we dive into the Hive experience, I think my stance, I will run my waves lately. Artists want to drop something, my stance here and there. Do you think they're good for business?
That's for so to okay. First of all, I don't want to be sounding like manager, Mr. No-Hero. Nah, this is my
opinion.
My opinion. Outside of Malawi, yes, it does. Like when you do my stunts in, let's say for example, America or the Europe and all of that, we've seen artists like Kanye West, Travis Scott. And when they do that, the next thing you hear is they're doing a concert or a tour. Because of those stunts and all of that. In Malawi, no. Sorry guys, no.
Yeah.
In Malawi, it doesn't make sense in so many ways. The numbers themselves. Because let's say, for example, here in Malawi, we are about what? 20 plus million people.
Yeah.
America, state remote yoka calendar to 20 million, So when you do a stand there, you need to be aware that you might lose some fans while doing that stand, because I'm very could be that So in Malawi, out there, Zapopo, you can lose 1,000 fans. It's okay, you still be killing those shows. You drop an album, people still hype it up. I mean, it's a big country, In Malawi, I don't know, because social media, if you can do a research and how many social media, True. So you need every single, if you have a fan out there, you need every single one of them to be on your back. So, yeah, that's my point.
Opinion.
Yeah.
I hope Moses gets All right, now let's dive into the Hive experience.
Yeah.
Let's just say, what should people expect from this year's Hive experience?
From this year's Hive experience, it's gonna be bigger. It's gonna be better.
Yeah.
We've done it twice. We know. And people should expect that. Should expect an amazing experience, better than
the previous one.
Yeah, the previous one. There's so many artists there. So far, Tabang announced Unesmas, there's gonna be Sent. There's gonna be Teddy, we're talking about artist Andy, Teresa Pondo, Amidu. Big fan of Amidu. It's gonna be there. The lineup is still, coming
out.
Yeah, still coming out, and people should look forward to an amazing show. So, what's Ponya? Last year, as the show was going, Chanchani, at the end of the show, that was last year. And then I was like, hey, thank you for coming, and then people started going out. Out of nowhere, your maps came on stage, And then they had to now go away. So this time around, also there's gonna be.
Surprise.
No, I don't wanna say much.
Okay.
My team is gonna be on the but then yeah, people should expect an amazing show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Alright.
27th of December,
Mm-hmm.
let's link up here at this auditorium.
Alright, I was about to say what he did in the venue. Alright, fine.
Yeah.
Now, as we are winding up, yeah,
Mhm.
I now have a fan section. I'm calling it a fan section because
Okay.
I'm pretty sure makosa wangu nasoma kusiba.
Mm.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, you're yambila. Alama tuka unali.
Hey, I don't know if No, but I love keeping my personal life personal.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know. Yeah.
As to we don't know. Alright, I know for the past years we're like, my celebrity crush is Senji. What is your celebrity crush?
My celebrity crush now. Tema is beautiful, guys.
Okay.
Tema.
Okay. Emma, we see you. Alright,
Yeah.
What's the funniest thing that has happened to you on stage?
On stage? Okay, I will Tony. The funniest thing that has happened on stage. Last year, I had experience. A lot of people didn't notice it. Kunabela jina DJ on stage. Nyimbo it was popping, you know. Chimbo ya bonga dijo. BJ and I got my lyrics. Oh, so he had to go back. You know, he came on stage, I gave him the mic, and then he's there, he's just looking at the audience. Suddenly, what am I lyrics? And then I had to go back. And then I had to come back again. So you know so he was just doing the same thing over and over again. So that was really crazy, no lie. Which other thing? So many things happened. Like recently, but it's okay. Tinakuenda naye basi kuti anangatirani ndiye. You never know. Yeah.
Alright, and does Ella and Njuchi drink or smoke?
No, I don't. I don't drink and smoke.
Sober man?
I've never.
Never ever.
Never ever. You never know. Maybe
Never have I ever drunk or smoked. Alright, and Nina, lastly, should we expect Nina more tattoos and piercings on you? Because I mean, people were surprised that you have tattoos. They were like, do you expect more?
Tattoos? Maybe.
Hi guys, we all do
Maybe. Piercings I don't know about safe. I only have two, and they are enough. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. This was fun.
It was? Alright guys, this has been Trending Star, and today we have the superstar Njuchi, and I am Alina Fechunga. Let us meet again in the next episode of Trending Star.
Trending stars.